From real estate mogul to politician, the Donald Trump story. A tale of ambition, controversy, and an unyielding drive for success. Donald John Trump, a name synonymous with wealth, extravagance, and more recently, political upheaval. His journey from the world of business to the highest office in the land is nothing short of extraordinary. Born in Queens, New York in 1946, Trump's journey is anything but ordinary. Growing up in a family of real estate developers, he was exposed to the world of business from a young age. From his early days in real estate, he built a brand synonymous with luxury and success. His ventures included iconic properties like Trump Tower, which became symbols of his business acumen and flair for the dramatic. He became a household name, not just for his buildings, but also for his flamboyant personality and his appearances on television, particularly as the host of The Apprentice. The show catapulted him into the national spotlight, showcasing his decisive and often controversial leadership style. However, Trump's ambitions went beyond boardrooms and television studios. He had his sights set on a much larger stage. In 2015, he shocked the world by announcing his candidacy for President of the United States. Many viewed it as a publicity stunt, but Trump was serious, and his campaign quickly gained momentum. What began as a long-shot bid, dismissed by many, culminated in a stunning victory in the 2016 election. His campaign, marked by its unconventional style and bold promises, resonated with a significant portion of the American electorate. His presidency, marked by both fervent support and fierce opposition, proved to be one of the most consequential and divisive in American history. Policies on immigration, trade, and foreign relations sparked intense debate and widespread protests. Trump's transition from real estate tycoon to the leader of the free world was unprecedented. His approach to governance was as unorthodox as his campaign, often breaking with traditional political norms. His presidency, a whirlwind of policy changes, controversial statements, and international disputes, left an indelible mark on America's political landscape. From tax reforms to Supreme Court appointments, his impact was far-reaching. Even after leaving office, Trump's influence on American politics remains undeniable, a testament to his enduring appeal among a significant portion of the electorate. His legacy continues to shape the political discourse, ensuring that the story of Donald Trump is far from over.
Section 4. The Art of the Deal. Trump's branding and business acumen. Donald Trump's success in business can be attributed, in part, to his mastery of branding. From the very beginning, Trump understood the power of a strong, recognizable brand. He understood that his name, synonymous with luxury and success, was a valuable asset. By associating his name with high-end real estate and opulent lifestyle, he created an aura of exclusivity. He plastered it on buildings, casinos, and even steaks, creating a brand that extended far beyond bricks and mortar. The Trump name became a hallmark of opulence, appearing on everything from bottled water to board games. His 1987 book, The Art of the Deal, became a bestseller, further cementing his image as a shrewd negotiator and a master of the business world. The book was not just a commercial success, but also a cultural phenomenon. The book, part memoir and part self-help guide, offered readers a glimpse into Trump's business philosophy, a mix of bravado, risk-taking, and an unwavering belief in his own abilities. It provided insights into his strategies and mindset, making it a must-read for aspiring entrepreneurs. Trump's business acumen, however, was often overshadowed by his controversial tactics. His aggressive approach to business often led to disputes and legal battles. He was accused of using his wealth and influence to bully competitors, stiff contractors, and exploit loopholes in the law. These accusations painted a complex picture of a man willing to push boundaries to achieve his goals. His business practices, while legal in some cases, raised ethical questions about his willingness to prioritize profit over people. Critics argued that his methods were ruthless and lacked compassion. Despite the controversies, Trump's brand remained strong. His ability to navigate through scandals and maintain his brand's allure was a testament to his resilience and marketing prowess. His name, emblazoned on buildings and products around the world, became a symbol of aspiration for some and a reminder of excess for others. The Trump brand evoked strong emotions, both positive and negative. His ability to cultivate and leverage his brand would later prove to be a valuable asset in his pursuit of political power. The same strategies that built his business empire were instrumental in his political career, showcasing the enduring power of a well-crafted brand.
Section 5. You're Fired. Trump's foray into reality television. In the early 2000s, Donald Trump's career took an unexpected turn, one that would redefine his public persona and influence. He stepped into the world of reality television as the host of The Apprentice, a groundbreaking show that pitted aspiring entrepreneurs against each other for a coveted chance to work for the Trump Organization. The Apprentice quickly became a ratings juggernaut, catapulting Trump to a new level of fame and solidifying his status as a household name. His catchphrase, "You're fired," became an iconic part of the American lexicon, symbolizing his no-nonsense approach to business. The show presented a different side of Trump to the public, one that emphasized his business acumen and his role as a mentor to young entrepreneurs, guiding them through the complexities of the business world. While some criticized the show for its portrayal of wealth and its focus on cutthroat competition, there was no denying its significant impact on Trump's public image and the broader culture. It softened his image, making him appear more relatable and even likable to a wider audience, bridging the gap between the elite and the everyday American. The Apprentice also showcased Trump's ability to connect with viewers on an emotional level, revealing a more personal side that resonated with many. He understood the power of entertainment and used it to his advantage, cultivating a persona that transcended the business world and resonated with millions of Americans, both young and old. This foray into reality television would prove to be invaluable as he later transitioned into the realm of politics, leveraging his newfound fame and public persona to connect with voters and build a formidable political brand.